have passed out in St. Anne's and the other institutions wherever I have taught, and they have reached to the heights. One amongst them is Jessima, which is in front of you. She is in Rosanna, so please give a big round of applause for her. She is my student and I'm proud of her. Whatever she did it to the, she excelled in that particular thing, right? As far as I am concerned, from a very young age, whenever I saw computers, I used to get attracted towards that I want to learn computers. But when I was doing my schooling, that time the computers were not available and even it was not introduced in the schools. Somewhere around 85 onwards, it came in the schools as well as in colleges. So I finished my schooling without studying computers. And imagine what? I wanted to become a doctor initially when I was in the school. But I got married when I was doing my second year of graduation. And after marriage, I shifted to computer line. And believe me, I'm very, very happy after shifting into this line because I am playing with the young minds. I am preparing the young minds to survive in future. Today is the word of AI. People are fascinated towards this two-letter word that is AI, but actually they need to understand that every now and then we all are using AI, right? So now we'll focus the main thing. Whenever I felt, low, or whenever I felt that I won't be able to manage so many things together. So, the multitasking was there in my life. So, whenever it happened, I used to say I can do this. So, the positivity came there in that particular thing. So, if we are positive, we are optimistic, we can do anything. Slowly, with my experience, I became the CBSE resource person. And I got the opportunity to interact with people around the world to just hold the seminars on different topics. And it also gave me the opportunity to build up the new network, right? So, you need to remember that success is not a destination like I told you, it's a journey. So, to cover the journey, you have to learn stepwise. And suppose you do some mistake at any step, you fail in exam, you are performing on the stage and you didn't win the prize, whatever it is. So accept your failures and move forward. It will help you to grow better person, and it is a stepping stone towards the success, right? So now how should we proceed? This is only for the students, just 3 to 4 points more. You have to surround yourself with positivity and also people who you believe in. So that will help you to grow better. And in case you need help in anything, kindly ask for the help. Do not hesitate if you want to reach on the top. Embrace the challenges, whatever comes in your field, and also opportunities for the growth. Because when you try to grab the opportunities, there only the real growth is there. Real growth is not coming first in the class, becoming a topper. Day before yesterday, our school child who was a topper with 99.2% marks in Tri-City was interviewed also. But it's not only about the topper, even the others, those who got above 90%, they did a lot of hard work with determination and positivity, right? So you all need to do that. You need to maintain the focus and determination, even when the circumstances do not allow you to do it. Because when you maintain your focus, with consistency you do the work, it will take you to that height where you want to reach and whatever you desire for your future. So towards the end, I would like to thank first Rosanna, spokesperson, Radio Orange, RJ Geet, Meenakshi ma'am, and all other dignitaries. So to conclude, I would like to say, believe in yourself, remain positive, never give up your dreams. I have a faith in each one of you You are destined to greatness. More power to you, my dear students. Continue to rise, strive for excellence, and shine brightly. So your hard work and dedication will pay you after a few years for consistently working in with focus, right? So that is all I want to say. Towards the end, I will also ask you, you should always come forward, not only for the fundamental right of vote, which everybody was speaking, that is also important. Apart from that, everything, leadership role, helping others, trying to help the underprivileged people, going out of the box. So all these things are very, very important. So towards the end, I would like to say it is experiential learning. Every day we all learn, teachers as well as students. So now there was one slogan from the film, how's the Josh? Little high voice is also required because I am from the army background. How's the Josh? Decide. Very good. Those who address hi sir or hi ma'am, it's okay. All the best to all of you. And I really thank Rayatan Bara and Rosanna spokesman to giving opportunity to just address the audience and also the patience of the students. I understand because I am in the students all the time, patience of the students sitting for so long and listening to everybody. But I am sure you will carry one thing with you from each speaker which will help you later in your life. Thank you.